Morning guys, good morning students. Are you happy? So bago tayo pumunta sa mga spot na pupuntahan natin is hayaan nyo munang magpakilala ako. Ako nga pala si Ray Daniel Vindino and you can call me Kuya Ray or Kuya Ray Ray. So napapansin nyo guys, may dala akong whistle. Ang whistle na ito ay gagamitin ko upang madali nyo akong marinig kapag malapit na tayo sa ating time at oras na para pumunta ng bus. Kapag nag-whistle ako ng isa, it means dapat pumunta na ulit kayo sa ating sasakyan. And pagkatapos ko naman mag-whistle at andito na kayong lahat, kailangan nating mag-head count para maalaman natin kung may nawawala ba o kompleto tayong lahat dito sa ating bus. Nagkakaintindihan ba tayong lahat?
Yes!
Tara, umpisa na natin puntahan ang isa sa ating mga spot na pupuntahan ngayong araw. Excited na ba kayo sa mga pupuntahan natin ngayong maghapon, guys? Dapat lang kayong ma-excite dahil andito na tayo sa port ng Balanacan, Mugpog, Marinduque. And 1 hour lang na biyahe, nasa capital na tayo ng Marinduque at ito ang Buwak. So guys, the province of Marinduque is an island province in the Philippines located in the southwestern Tagalog region or Mimaropa, formerly designated as Region 4B. And the capital of Marinduque is Buwak. Enjoyin nyo muna ang tanawin sa biyahe guys. And malapit na tayo sa municipality of Buwak. Here we go guys! We arrived. But aside of that, kailangan muna natin magpasalamat sa Diyos at nakarating tayo ng ligtas and nandito na tayo sa ating tourist spot na pupuntahan natin, ang historical and religiously Buwak Cathedral. So Buwak Cathedral is a Roman Catholic church and cathedral in the town center of Buwak, Marinduque, in the Mimaropa region of the Philippines. So Buwak Cathedral is founded in 1580 to 1792. Diba guys, sobrang tagal na, and it is dedicated to Immaculate Conception Cathedral Parish. And it is the image of Mahal na Berheng Biglang Awa enshrined at the cathedral compound. Tingnan nyo guys. So guys, magnilay-nilay muna tayo para gabayan tayo sa maghapon nating trip. Magkita-kita na lang tayo sa bus after ng mass. Okay guys, head count muna tayo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, 37, complete kayo. Thank you Lord sa mga natatanggap natin blessings sa araw-araw and thank you at ligtas kaming lahat. So guys, excited na ba kayo sa next na pupuntahan natin? Alright guys, we arrived at the Amoyngon Beach. Amoyngon Beach nga pala is famous beach in Buwak, Marinduque. And it is so accessible because you can search it on Google Map and hindi ito kalayuhan sa National Highway. And guys, if you like gazing, coastal and colorful school or fishing rather than swimming and grilling, then you shouldn't miss Amoyngon Beach in Marinduque. The waters are so teeming with marine life that many would call it snorkeling capital of Marinduque. Still, if you are not a fan of marine life or anything above, like you can still have fun above that. You can clear shadow waters of Amoyngon Beach, get some fresh air and sunshine outdoors, or rent the nearest transient house and inhale the smell of the sea every morning while jogging. Okay guys, I'll give you time to get relaxed of the sightseeing and enjoy nyo muna ang bawat sandali with your classmates and your loved ones. Sana all my loved ones. I'll call you guys when the time is up. Enjoy! Alright guys, nag-enjoy ba ang lahat? of course, nag-enjoy kayo kasi super ako nag-enjoy. Are you tired, guys? It's time for us to get some energy and we go to the famous kainan here in Buwak, the Kusina sa Plaza. Ready na ba kayo kumain, guys? For sure ready na kasi ako gutom na din. So, Kusina sa Plaza is the home of authentic Marinduque cooking. Ito ang authentic cuisine na maaari nyong matikman dito sa Kusina sa Plaza. Okay guys, it's time to eat. Enjoy muna natin ng ambience and magpakabusog sa masasarap na pagkain dito. Alright guys, nabusog ba kayo? Kasi ako, busog na ako. Alright, natapos na natin ang lahat na spot na pupuntahan natin and nag-enjoy ba ang lahat? Sana naman ay nag-enjoy kayo. Marahil ay magpapaalam na Kuya Ray Ray nyo sa isa't isa sa susunod na field trip at magagawi ulit kayo dito sa Marinduque. Just call me. Tawagan nyo lang ako at ako ulit ang makakasama nyo sa tour nyo. Hindi ko kayo makakalimutan guys sa trip na to kasi napakabait at napaka-humble nyo. So, hanggang dito na lang guys. And sana magkita-kita ulit tayo. Once again, I am Kuya Ray Ray. See you sa next trip nyo. Thank you and ingat pa uwi. God bless everyone. See you when I see you. Thank you.